Hi everybody, I'm back for a quick video, and you can see I received a package today from Coco Daisy. So we are just going to, all I did was cut the tape and we are going to dive right on in. And the first thing you see is this beautiful peacock card that says Shine Bright. So this whole month of March has to do with peacocks. Bright, bold colors and patterns. Special individual that you were born to be. So I will leave this here so you can pause and read. I can read it in the monitor, but I don't know if you can. So there you go. And, oh, they haven't had any tissue paper in here in a long time. I like the tissue paper. So we got that. We'll set that aside. So I've got lots of goodies. Oh, look at this. So first thing I see is this little blue ball. Oops, I'm having a hard time. There. Sparkly, and it's a little charm on a lobster clasp. But, so we've got the planner kit, some extra washi, and a mini insert, the planner add-on kit, and the classified. Okay, get the box out of the way. So, I'm just going to start with this because it's the first thing I see, and it is one of the new pencil pouches, and this is with the planner add-on this month. Look, it's that same pretty, where'd that card go? It's that same really pretty peacock, except like a mirror version of it. And you can see, it's that same size. Here's the one I'm using this month. The little Simon one, I think is adorable. I've gotten it so dirty, I haven't thrown it in my bag. So here's the pencil pouch. This is with the planner add-on. And this stuff is the planner add-on too. So let me set that aside and let's go through the actual planner kit itself. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. So there's some really neat things in this month. So the first thing I want to show you is this beautiful paper clip. And this pattern, which was on the back of the pencil pouch, is here. But look at this beautiful, I'm gonna move the camera, see if that helps. You can hear my little buddy Seamus is here helping me. But look how beautiful that paper clip is. Wow, that is beautiful. Okay, so there's that. Now, this is the Post-it. We get two different types of paper each month. We get Post-its, and they're usually in some sort of a shape, and these are beautiful blue, see if that helps, maybe not, feathers. And then look how gorgeous this pad of paper is. That same peacock and feathers, and it says, "Be fabulous." And look at all that paper you get. So you definitely have a lot of paper. You're not going to go through it all, that's for sure. Or at least I don't. Here's one of the washi tapes. It's like a chevron, like a watercolor paint chevron. That's really pretty. And here, these are some of the die cuts. Every month you get tabs, and I've got to figure out something to do with the tabs because I don't use the tabs. And there's beautiful peacock die cuts and all these little feathers. And this is something I was really excited to see. It is this beautiful pen. It's like a gold. Oh, and it looks like it's a ballpoint pen. There's a little plastic thing on the top. Let's see how this writes. Ooh. Look how nicely that writes. Very pretty. It might be a gel ink. I don't know, I can't. Oh, yeah, it does come off. I think it is a gel ink. Beautiful pen. And you can see, you can keep the pen and buy a replacement ink. And it's hefty, it's a nice feeling pen. Feels like one of my fountain pens. It feels like the weight of one of my Pilot fountain pens. One of my nice Pilot fountain pens, not the disposable ones. So now, let's see what we have in here. So we have, every month we get some of these. It'll say, Hello March, budget tracker, some blank ones, notes, travel plans, March goals, daily, ta-da, exercise tracker, that type of stuff. Spring planting list, that's cute. I think one month last year it said spring cleaning list. Ooh, is this a sticker? No, it's like a bookmark. It's beautiful. It's one of the peacock feathers. And the colors, here are the colors. These are the functional stickers, the dates and the numbers and the reveal and all of that. And look how gorgeous these are. The March, the feathers, the peacock here that says don't hold back. Of course there's a Simon, you gotta have a Simon. Spring break, there's that beautiful peacock again. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at this paper. I gotta come up with some fun things to do with these. Look how beautiful that is. And since it's Cocoa Daisy, you will get 2 because you'll see the back. That's the back. See, 2 of those. Now here's this beautiful stripe. And the back of the stripe is that gorgeous feather. And here's a beautiful watercolor and some more feathers. I love that watercolor. It's really pretty. So I've been using the personal size and the passport size. So I have the inserts in both sizes, and what I'm trying to do is to find out which size works best for me. So there's our beautiful month. Do a quick little flip through, like that's the watercolor from the paper. See the good, be the good. There's the flowers from the paper, or the feathers. So everything is coordinated, like here, you see that? Very similar. So you can always see that from the paper. So everything is coordinated, and one thing that I love, oh, see, that's so pretty. And it says, do what they think you can't do. I love the inserts. It's so pretty. And one of the reasons why is they're decorated so pretty that if you are kind of like me and don't have much of a creative bone, I mean, I can do some things, but not like this. They come pre-decorated for you, so the pretty is already there. So if all you want to do, I'll show you on my February that I have for this month. So if all you want to do is maybe dress up the cover, put in some of the paper, use some of the stickers. If all you want to do is write in it, your weekly, here we are today, film, YouTube video, Cocoa Daisy. Put a couple of the stickers down, some of the post-it notes, and you have a beautiful looking insert, and you didn't have to, do the watercoloring yourself for all of that other stuff. It's already done for you. So that's the insert, the personal insert. I might take the cover off and do something with one of the pretty papers. Okay, so that's the standard the personal Dory kit. Now, wow, and see, you get so much stuff. Now this is the planner add-on. This and all of this stuff in this pouch here. And I know there's going to be some good stuff in here. So there's another washi tape, and you can see it's more of that feather. And some more beautiful die cuts. But this is one thing that's kind of nice. These kind of remind me of the Mambi Happy Planner pen loops. And there's two colors, the sea blue and like the turquoisey color. Is that a word? Turquoisey? But they had these in January, and they're back this month. And see, look, you've got this beautiful card here that you can cut and use as a tip-in because it's blank on the back side. You could put photos and put it in your journal. But look at that. These are pockets that you can put in your inserts. You can put on a folder. Some of the, if you're to have like Foxy Fix or Chic Sparrow, the plastic dashboards that they make, you can put these on the dashboard to have like a pocket on the inside or the outside. Very cute. So those are there. And look, more goodies, more stickers. And some journaling cards, and let's see what's here. So here's that beautiful like mandala type print again. I may not be perfect, but I'm always myself, and it's blank on the back. I guess these are like project life-size cards. To do, live in the moment. And look, some more beautiful stickers. And some of these are the die cuts in the planner kit, like feather flags. And then here's another set of numbers, some alphabets, and some days of the week if you need to do some more stuff. And look, you've got a bunch of functional stickers and to-do tabs and some more words. And look at this beautiful card. It's that same gorgeous peacock artwork. And this is the part where you find out who you are. So that is the planner add-on kit. Gorgeous. And there's only one other thing I have that I'll show. I'm not going to share the classified yet. I'll do that at a later date over, yeah, I get an extra roll of washi. And I got the Dory also in the mini size. So it's pretty much everything like the personal or standard or B6, but just a little bit smaller. You'll see it's got the same artwork, but just a little bit smaller. And look at that beautiful peacock. I'm really liking the month of March. I'm loving the February kit, and I loved the January, but oh, look how beautiful all those gorgeous bold colors are. Okay, so I will take some beautiful photos of all this stuff, and all of this stuff. You get so much stuff in the kits. And I will link down Coco Daisy below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.